Today we'll be going over to the Mall Lifestore Bangkae over at Bangkok Road, where we'll be going to an exhibition for exotic animals and pets. By the way, I just cut my hair. Feels so fresh and 10 years younger now. It's not every time that I let just any other salon, any other person cut my hair, because hair is the pride, our pride and confidence, right? So for the past 17-18 years, whenever in Singapore, I've been going to the same salon, right? People who know how to actually cut your hair is very important, and I've been doing that as well in Bangkok. The salon is in Thong Lo area. I've been there for the past 2 years and they have done a very good job. So yes, once I'm very comfortable with them, I'm very loyal. I'll stick to them. So by the way, the mall at Bangkok is at Lak Song MRT station, so we have to sit all the way to the last station, and it takes about 45 minutes as per what I remember. It's not really at Bangkok, it's outer Bangkok, closer to this Nakhon Pathom area, which is nearby in Bangkok anyway. Arrived at Lak Song station, 1 hour, not 45 minutes. Okay guys, this is the real Bangkok, the real, yeah, I can say Bangkok, the real Thailand. Not touristy, not touristy. It's a suburb where people of everyday life come about, except for me, the only tourist in this area. Okay, so this is the event that we are going to. It's called Jungle Walk. Anyway, it's not. I'm not the only tourist. Like today, I saw on my friend's Facebook there are other tourists from quite a few countries. They come over here just for the event. I've been here once before, like last year, and I must say that I like this kind of mall because it's not your typical tourist mall, right, where you have all the big brands and all the big names. Just have to find the event booth now. It's relatively big shopping mall over here. They even have a buntong tea over here, but I tried before once. It's not really that authentic, or maybe use a different kind of ingredient, so the taste very different from Singapore one. There's more durian stores here. The oh yeah, it's Swenson's. The Thais love their durian so much. I cannot find hall tree, so I will ask around. Hall tree. Sorry? The event hall for the jungle? Yes. Where is it? Level 3. Oh, okay. Thank you. By the way, it's not hall 3, it's level 3. Oh, check it out. There's like these two parrots here, right? Okay, I'll sit here. Amazing, right? They actually allow all these animals inside their shopping mall. It's not like and they allow them freely inside their mall, like without being what is it? Halaiwa. Yeah, like I say, they were allowed inside their mall without being chained around.
Lỏn mấy cái dạng cái nào rồi mang đi.
สำหรับท่านที่เกี่ยวกับการยังไม่ทานซื้อพยุไปครับใส่ที่ดินไม้เหมือนเดิมครับถือได้ดีเดิมนะแล้วรอบนี้ครับลูกละ100 บาท
Oh, there's even a JD shop over here. So level 3 is more of sportswear and fashion, guys fashion. And oh yeah, just want to say, right, in Thailand, it's a country where beauty standards matters a lot. So no matter which mall you go to, you will see a lot of plastic surgery clinics, dermatologists doing Botox, fillers, and many others, right? Just for example, it's a whole section of beauty clinics from there all the way to the other end. This place is so big, I cannot even find the event hall. Where is it? Okay, I know why I cannot find the event, because right, we came from there, right? One level, 2 level, 3 level up, right? But apparently that's level M. This is 1 and that's 2. This is Thailand for you, man. They have like level G, level M. Can someone tell me what is all this level G, level M? G I know it's for ground, okay fine, fair enough. But G, M, then 1, 2, 3, 4. Confusing. Fitness first. Whenever I see fitness first, right, I remember like when I was a very young guy, 21, 22. I've always wanted to join Fitness First in Singapore as a personal trainer, but I was rejected many times. I mean, it was my fault, right? I wasn't qualified back then, and I had a lot of flaws when I was younger. Come to think of it, I think it's quite a blessing that I didn't went into that path. I mean, I don't know. Who knows, right? Maybe I would have done better, maybe not. This is one of the part that I like about all this kind of normal shopping mall, right? They have all these very affordable clothing, not your designer brands, right? These are my daily fashion anyway, not the Louis Vuitton, Gucci or Prada. You can wear them whenever you are out for important events, of course, but it's not an everyday wear. Unless you are very rich, then yeah. I think this is like a 10 baht store. Is it? Everything for 10 baht? I think so. Right, these are the shops that you will not find at Central World and your other touristy shopping mall. Alright, man, I found the event hall, and let's see what's inside there. I think there's a lot of exotic pets. I don't know, never came before. so cute. Oh my god. Okay, let's go into the main event hall. Goodness, look at all this. Such a huge toad. I swear I have never seen such a huge toad in my life before. Okay guys, I think these are where the parrots came from earlier just now. Fella behind looks a little shy, not looking at me. Right, whenever I see this kind of parrot, right, this breed in particular, it reminds me of the expensive color pencil we had back in our school days. The our Faber-Castell, right? Look at how huge all these peacocks are. Oh my god. I have to like peep into one of these net so I cannot move around. Squid Game number 456. Like I was saying, I'm not the only foreigner around. Moving on, more snakes. These are all exotic snakes here. Sometimes they are crossbreed. Hello, little fellow. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. I don't think they are for sale, are they? The peacock. Can you keep peacock in Thailand? I don't know. Okay, here it goes. A collection of exotic snakes. These are all very tiny snakes here, but no doubt they are venomous. Okay, and what do we have here? What is this? Okay, apparently these are skunks. Narama. What is this? This is chicken? I have no idea. Oh my god, guys, look at this. Huge tortoise turtle. I don't know, man. He's staring at me like he's gonna snap at me anytime. And also notice their shell. It looks like one of the thick wood that we use for our garden bench or our tables. And this fella is like a damn huge ass raccoon. In fact, this is like the biggest raccoon I've ever seen in my life. So this is ant keeping Thailand. By the way, that is my friend Kan. He's the #1 ant keeper in Thailand. Hello, boss. Handsome man.
Should I say something?
I don't know.
Maybe not.
So what he does is involve making ant nests, right? All these are ant nests from the small one to the large ones. So over here it starts from 500 baht per set, and oh, it includes the queen ant as well. These are queen ant. So the organizers actually invited him over to open up a booth here, so as to encourage more people to have the hobby of ant keeping. It's very interesting because ant keeping is definitely not your conventional hobby. For those that like to find out more, you can go over to his Facebook page. So this is like some of Gan's work. These are all his ants and their colonies. Okay, this is very interesting. This is like the ant nest, right? And then it is connected for them. Okay, I think this little fella is coming. Are you? Oh yes, yes, yes. Look at how they connect to each other. Alright guys, so that's about it. I'm gonna end this video over here. I'll be taking a look a little while more before going back to my friend's booth while they are packing up now, and then we'll be heading over to have dinner together, late dinner. So thank you very much and see you guys in the next video.
Hello.
Look at Ant-Man playing with snakes.
Yeah, Ant-Man also Snake Man.
Jesus!
Hello, take photo of me.